Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working. So first of all, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And on the top right corner over here, that's three dot icon, click on that. And over here, we need to scroll a bit down and find settings right here. And when you reach to the settings, we have to, on the left hand side over here, click on the systems. And you just need to off this button. And after that, on the top right corner right over here, click on this again and go to the clear browsing data. And you need to do is just clear all data right over here. Click on that option. This is how you can fix if the YouTube is not working in your Windows. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.